Hello humans! Today I'll be showing you how to turn yourself into this magical pearly pink mushroom fairy for Halloween or any other occasion that you like to dress up for. I'll be starting off by priming my eyelids. I'll be using a concealer brush and the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Concealer, and I'm just going to pat it all over my eyelid until it's blended in. Now I'll be filling in my brows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I like to sketch out a shape and then add the strokes of hair and then brush it out with the spoolie until my brows look filled in and soft. Then with a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to pack on some light pink eyeshadow all throughout the eye socket, blending it upwards from the crease, away from the lid, but not as far as the eyebrow. Then taking an even brighter baby pink and blending that into the socket and under the front of the brow. Now with a small round brush, I'm going to sketch out my shape with this hot pink eyeshadow. I'm using a palette from an Albanian makeup brand, Solen Cosmetics. This is the Chef palette, and all the eyeshadows are named in Albanian. When creating winged eyeshadow looks like this, it's important to stay above the crease but beneath your brow bone. If you don't have enough space there, try to stick to your outer corner where your crease won't interfere. Once I'm happy with the shape I've created on my eyes, I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milky White and a small brush to create a sticky surface on my eyelid. You can also use a concealer and even lip gloss, but a creamy liner is my personally preferred method as it doesn't create a wet layer of product, but instead a creamy one. Then taking these gorgeous sparkles from the Chef palette and packing them straight onto the white eyeliner until my eyelids are dazzling. I probably should have waited to put on these lashes until after I did the next step, but I was really excited to use them as they're also from an Albanian beauty brand called Regana Beauty, and these are in the style Mermaid. Next, I'm going to use this white Fenty Beauty liquid liner and attempt to create an even wing on both sides of my face. After that, I'm going to apply my coverage with the Pat McGrath concealer again and using a medium fluffy face brush to blend it in. Then I go in with my CC cream and a classic foundation brush and blend the product into my skin until it is streak-free and all my blemishes are covered. Then I'm once again going to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil to make my giant eyeballs look even bigger than they already are and give that doll-like effect. Underneath the white, I'm going to round off the eye with a black eyeliner and a black eyeshadow using a thin liner brush to lock it all into place, as well as some more of the hot pink eyeshadow, again for a more seamless transition with the top of the eye. Don't forget about your bottom lashes and coat them with some mascara. For blush, I'm going to use this Dior Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm, and I'll be applying this with a fluffy highlighter brush all throughout my upper cheeks and nose. To really set the cream blush in, I'm going to use a shimmery pink tone all over it, so our cheeks look as rosy as can be. Now this was the most fun part, but also the most time-consuming part, and it's adding these pearl freckles. I just picked up some fake pearls at the craft store and used eyelash glue from Regana Beauty to adhere them to my face. This glue worked incredibly well, and they stayed on for hours after application. To finish off the cheeks, I'll be adding on some white freckles in between with the same white Fenty liner that we used earlier. Adding a last little touch to my eyes with a shimmery eyeshadow on the inner corners for an extra pop. And for lips, I'll be using this bright pink lipstick from Bite Beauty and applying it with a lip brush. And to top it off, I'm going to use this lip gloss from Regana Beauty. And that is it for today's little Halloween look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please leave a like and comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more content.
Oh hi, I'm Gracie. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my mom.